Boom. So we have got the Hoverbar Duo by 12 South. Okay, balance. Become more. We go do. Right. Let's start that again. Yo, what's going on? We got the Hoverbar Duo by 12 South. This is a aluminium mount for the iPad. So, yeah man, let's get into it. See what it's saying. Wow, I could have really done with this mount to actually record this video, but you get me. Retail, £79. Multiple positions to essentially mount the iPad into. It's got some good weight on it. So nice packaging. Hoverbar Duo, looks cool. This is what we're dealing with right now. So we've got the mount is made from like a solid plastic. The part that actually holds the iPad. And we've got, well, bad boy piece of something, yeah. Next piece of something, yeah, as well. Some Allen keys. That's it, man. It's a solid base, got some feet on the bottom of it. I like the feel of it. This is serious still. Man has to use some decent strength to try and mess with this one here. So let's see what the instructions are saying real quick. Alright. I forgot to see, man, we're supposed to loosen up the thing before just manhandling it like that. Position or locking washer at the end of the hoverbar arm. What are you saying, G? Alright. It's positioned. Now what? Then twist it, yeah? Sure. No, don't worry. Oh, okay. Oh, alright. I see it. Alright, so just position it there. And then this thing is this thing. So this is yeah, we're nice now. We're nice now. Okay, so this is the piece that basically clamps onto, the edge of the table, and then that can come from there, or you can put it wherever you want. So yeah, All right, okay. Oh, bruv. Imagine it took me seeing this demonstration right here to remember that this thing works with that the iPad works with the Magic. Honestly, don't know what's going on with the phone right now, but we'll try and get what we can out of this. Anyway, iPad is hooked up nicely. This is solid. Definitely recommend it. It's got a section cut out for your Apple Pencil. Let's go ahead and bless that just now. I've never had to do so many takes on a video, bro. Get the Apple Pencil out. Apple Pencil holds right here. And then yeah, man, that's it. It's a nice little slot. So when I'm ready, I can get the Apple Pencil up, do what I need to do, and we're nice on here. Let's wrap it up because I don't think the phone's got any more in it.